Right, it's been about 1.5 weeks since I've started to cycle my system. I have now had to replace pretty much all of the fish. I had a really large die-off about 3 days into starting to cycle. I suspect that the buildup of toxins from ammonia was just too much for the poor fishies to handle. So I had a really big die-off, and I replaced all the fish earlier in the week, and pretty much all of them have made it through. I've had 1 or 2 die-offs, but nothing major. I suspect that a lot of the die-offs quite possibly were created or caused by ingress of rainwater, which might have swung my pH balance one way or the other. I have now tried to more or less fix the water ingress problem, or the rainwater ingress problem, by covering everything up in tarp. I've built an additional larger wooden crate or rack or shelf, if you will, which is now covering my sump. I've also got some water plants in the sump, if you can see that. I don't know if it shows up properly. Got some water plants in the sump there, and my nutrient levels seem to have stabilized more or less. I have finally got an indication that I've got some nitrates going in the system, and my next step will be to plant some seeds. I will be planting the seeds directly in the grow beds. I will not be sprouting them outside, and we'll see how that gets along. The only problem that I now have is I've got 2 rather small grow beds and about 24 different plant species which I want to get in the soil. So I think it's going to be a tight squeeze. I really don't know if I'll be able to fit everybody into the grow beds. I will do another update in about a week's time to see if we've had any sprouting or growth, and let you all know how I'm doing then. Thanks for watching.